counties in North Carolina, Davidson, and Davie.
At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Reading, or 8 miles southwest of Newtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour with gusts. Eastern daylight source. Bridgeport around 3:50 p.m. Around 55 p.m. p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Here is Bridgeport around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Trumbull around 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Milford and Shelton around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven. The coastal waters forecast from Norwich's inlet to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Oh, and this guy didn't go off. He sucked.
Temperatures were between 85 and 88 degrees. It was partly sunny at Waterbury, Oxford, and Hartford. At Bridgeport, it was fair. Looking around the northeast, at Pittsfield, Massachusetts, rain was falling with a temperature of 80. At White Plains, haze was reported with a temperature of 80. Flash flood watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday morning. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood watch for western Massachusetts, southern Vermont, and the eastern Catskills, Helderberg, Mohawk Valley, Lake George, Saratoga region, Capital District, northern and central Taconics, eastern Greene and western Columbia counties, and eastern New York. From Friday afternoon through Saturday morning, showers and thunderstorms, heavy at times, will become widespread Friday afternoon into Friday night. An average of 1 to 2 inches of rainfall is expected across the watch area, but locally higher amounts are likely. Heavy rainfall rates exceeding an inch per hour at times will contribute to flash flood potential. Flash flooding of creeks, small streams, and urban areas will be possible where locally heavy rainfall occurs. Locations that have already received substantial rain over the past few days will be particularly vulnerable. A flash flood watch means that
Conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Beep. Beep.
And now the hourly information.
Damn it.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Ulster County in east central New York, central Dutchess County in east central New York, in until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Poughkeepsie, Beacon, Pleasant Valley, Wappingers Falls, Highland, Fishkill, Millbrook, Fairview, Marlborough, Red Oaksville, Myers Corner, Stanfordville, Hopewell Junction, Salt Point, Knapp's Corner, Lithgow, Hoxie Corner, New Hamburg, Glenhelm, and Heavyland. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service by email at alb.stormreport@no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWSAlbany, or Twitter at NWSAlbany. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for
Litchfield, Duchess, can you go off?
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield County, east central Dutchess County, and east central New York until 5:15 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sharon, or 18 miles west of Torrington, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Sharon!
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sharon around 4:40 p.m. Milton and Cornwall Bridge around 4:45 p.m. Falls Village around 4:55 p.m. Cedar around 5:05 p.m. Norfolk around 5:10 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report hail size, damaging winds, and reports of trees down to the National Weather Service by email at stormreport@no.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Salmony, or Twitter at Salmony. Here is the forecast for southwest Connecticut. Mostly cloudy. NWSAlbany, or Twitter at NWSAlbany. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Litchfield, Connecticut, and Dutchess, New York. And now,
Which one of you fuckers will go off first? Huh?
Warning for northern Pelham County, northeastern Hartford County, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts until 5:30 p.m. Has issued a severe 4:47 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ludlow to near Ellington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Enfield, Vernon, South Windsor, Ludlow, Longmeadow, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Holland, Downspurtown, Woodland, Palmer, Sanford, Somers, East Windsor, Ware, Sturbridge, Monson, and Granby. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
Excuse me?
Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampton and Hampshire, and Hartford, Connecticut. Flash flood watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday.
Yeah, so, Taunton, do you mind answering me this? Do you mind answering me this very simple question? Since when is 0.75 inch hail considered large hail? Huh? Hampshire, Worcester. Hello?
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Palmer, or 13 miles east of Springfield, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
How about you expect damage to trees and power lines?
Locations impacted include Worcester, Shrewsbury, Ludlow, Holden, Belchertown, Charlton, Palmer, Spencer, Leicester, Ware, Sturbridge, Monson, Rutland, Sterling, West Boylston, Westminster, Barr, Warren, Paxton, and North Brookfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Hampton and Hampshire. The severe thunderstorm warning for
Yeah, so Taunton, I see you're going at it again with the same bullshit that you put in your other fucking warning. Since when does 0.75 inch hail automatically mean that there's fucking large hail in that fucking storm? Huh? And by the way, while I'm still recording, this is a very special message going out to a little person known as, Little Miss Devious. If you remember her, she was in my Unit N WX100 unboxing. I'm just gonna go out there and say that she's fucking controlling the weather, cause it seems like and it looks like we have a lightning report in Hartford. That's thunderstorm wind damage. But I'm just gonna say that usually, as soon as Melissa would text me, a fucking warning would come in. Should I also mention that
And looks like, are they already continuing the warning? It's like, and what was that? Oh! Great! Tornado possible with that storm. Okay. And it looks like they heard me. looks like because they removed the large hail and damaging winds part. I mean, you could have just kept the damaging winds part. You didn't have to remove the other thing.
But still, literally, as soon as I would get a text message from Little Miss Devious, a fucking warning would come in. I'm just gonna say that she's controlling the fucking weather.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna leave her channel link in the description below so you can subscribe to her.
Southeastern Hampshire. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, south central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sturbridge, or 14 miles southwest of Worcester, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Framingham, Marlborough, Shrewsbury, Milford, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Holden, Webster, Southbridge, Ashland, Auburn, Northbridge, Hopkinton, Northborough, Oxford, Holliston, Middlebury, and Charlton. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Middlesex, and Worcester. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay until 7 p.m. At 6:02 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Mile Light, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged from briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Fort Esk Beach, Mile Light, Cross Ledge Light, 14-foot Bank Light, East Point, and Bowers Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Excuse me?
County in southeastern New York, northern Nassau County in southeastern New York. Until 10:45, producing a tornado was located over Whitestone. Moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicates location shelter. Impact, flying debris would be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be considered island around 10:35 p.m. Garden Creek, City Island around 40 p.m. Glencoe has been over for Hawaii 10:40 p.m. Take cover now.
Showers and a thunderstorm Friday night. Some of the rain.
Sturdy building. Move to a basement or windows. Room on the roof. If you are outdoors or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Here is the forecast for eastern Long Island. Tonight, here is the forecast for southwest Connecticut. Storms. Tonight, fog after midnight. Lows in the mid-70s. Fog southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Mostly cloudy in the morning. Rain 50%. Partly sunny. Friday, mostly chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the lower 80s.
Alright, what radio is still on?
Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. The coastal waters forecast for oranges inlet month on.
What the fuck was that? the fuck was that?
Upton, what kind of drugs are you fucking smoking? Out of complete nowhere, you decided to issue a fucking tornado warning?
Yeah, what the fuck? Oh shoot, I hope I didn't wake my father up. How the fuck he didn't wake up? I am shocked. And where the hell did the remote go? Where the heck did the remote for my lights go? Oh, there it is. Tornado warning? Yes. Sheer nuttiness video? Probably, despite the fact that there was no fucking tornado watch to begin with. No, and as you can fucking tell, I am here with the Mr. Big Red, known as Clay Ranger 143.
Only have one fucking thing to say about that tornado warning.
Hey, what is that? That it was fucking out of nowhere?
What the fuck?
My thoughts exactly, because not only did it scare the living shit out of me when that thing went off. Okay, I am gonna go silence my radios before I have another fucking blast out like that again.
Long Island Sound, west of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Eastchester Bay, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will be near Manhasset Bay around 10:35 p.m. Baxter Estates and Execution Rocks around 10:40 p.m. Hampstead Harbor and Mamaroneck Harbor around 10:45 p.m. Captain Harbor around 11 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor around 11:10 p.m. Oyster Bay, Cold Spring Harbor, Huntington Bay, Stamford Harbor and Long Neck Point around 11:15 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Fuck.
The marine forecast for Long Island Sound. For tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots.
As you can tell by the scroll on here, and here, and here, I am fucking appalled by this. Like, who in the fucking right mind would issue this at 10:30 at fucking night? Yeah, I get it. Bad weather can occur at any fucking time. I know that. I've been capturing weather alerts off of these fucking things for years now. But why the fuck would you do that? Enjoy a mini scroll video, as